Good morning, students. I welcome you all to my class today. Okay, today is the English class. Okay, I am going to teach you the vowels. Okay, yes, are you all ready? Yes, okay, children. In English letters, okay, there are how many vowels? There are altogether 5 vowels. Okay, which are they? A, E, I, O, U. I think you know that very well, right? Yes. Okay. Children, today let's start the what are the vowels and what are the words related to those vowels. Okay. Yes. Shall we start now? Okay. Children, see there are totally 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Children, what are these vowels? What are vowels? Okay. See, vowels have their own sounds. Okay. They have their own sounds. Okay. Yes. And there are 2 categories. One is vowels and the other one is consonants. Yes. There are 21 consonants and there are 5 vowels. Okay. Children, you know ABCD very well, right? Can we say now? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now, see A. Okay. The first letter is a vowel. Okay. What about B? B is a consonant. Okay. B is a consonant. What about C? That is also a consonant. Only C. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Okay. The rest of the letters in the alphabet, they are the consonants. Okay, children? Yes. Did you understand that? Yeah, okay. Now, let us see some words related to these vowels. Okay, children, here I have written bag. Okay, yes. Can you see A in this? Can you see A? Okay, see the word which is having the vowel letter. Okay, then these are the vowel words. Okay, see, read it louder. Bag, rat, cat, mat, can, man, van, bat. Okay, everywhere you can hear the sound a. Okay, that's a sound, phonic sound, you know that, right? So see, listen here again. Bag, rat, cat, mat, can, man, van, bat. Okay, everywhere you can find the letter A, right? Okay, so this is A sound letter, A sound words. Okay, A sound words. Okay, A sound letters. Can you see the next one? See, BED. Okay, bed. Yes, red, pen, hen, ten, leg, egg, pet. Okay, a. That is a sound. E sound you can hear, right? So this is the next vowel. See, E is also one of the vowel, right? Okay, see, everywhere you can find E here. Okay, see, in all these words you find either in the middle or in the front. Okay, you find this letter. Yes, shall we say again? Bed, red, pen, hen, ten, leg, egg, pet. Okay, see the third one, I. Okay, how do you say? See here, bib, bin, pig, kid, lip, lid, pin, sit. Okay, bib, E sound. Okay, that is I sound. I always makes the E sound, right? E. See, bib, bin, pig, kid, lip, lid, pin, sit. Okay, everywhere you find I here in this. Okay, I. Everywhere I is there. Okay, so this is I letter words. Okay, this is a vowel. These are the vowel words. Okay, see the next one. See next set of words here: log, dog, hot, pot, rod, top, ox, boy. Okay, oh, can you hear that sound? Yes, see, log, dog, hot, pot, rod, top, ox, boy. Yes, okay, see, everywhere O is found. Okay, so these are the O vowel words. Okay, O vowel words. Okay, yes. See the next one. Yes, what is that? Bug, jug, bun, run, bus, hut, cup, tub. Okay, a sound. Okay, what is the u sound? U is always making a sound, right? See, umbrella when you say a. Okay, bug, bug, jug, bun, run, bus, hut, cup, tub. Okay, see, everywhere you find u, right? Okay, so see here now. Okay, one more thing, children. When you read this bag, how do you spell that? B-A-G, bag. Okay, you can learn these three letters word, right? Yes, you can learn that. Yes, bag, B-A-G, bag, R-A-T, rat, C-A-T, cat, M-A-T, mat, C-A-N, can, M-A-N, man, V-A-N, van, B-A-T, bat. Okay, children, can you all repeat along with me? Yes, you need to say it louder. Okay, children? Yes, shall we begin? Bag, rat, cat, mat, can, man, van, bat. Okay, see read this now. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. L-E-G, leg. E-G-G, egg. P-E-T, pet. Okay, now let's read this louder. Okay, will you join with me? Yes. Bed, red, pen, hen, ten, leg, egg, pet. Okay, yes. Okay, see the next one. B-I-B, what is that? Bib. B-I-N, bin. P-I-G, pig. K-I-D, kid. L-I-P, lip. L-I-D, lid. P-I-N, pin. S-I-T, sit. Okay, shall we read? Bib, pin, bin, pig, kid, lip, lid, pin, sit. Okay, see this one? Log. Okay, L-O-G, log. D-O-G, dog. H-O-T, hot. P-O-T, pot. R-O-D, rod. T-O-P, top. O-X, ox. B-O-Y, boy. Okay, shall we read this? Log, dog, hot, pot, rod, top, ox, boy. Okay, see this one. B-U-G, okay, bug. J-U-G, jug. B-U-N, bun. R-U-N, run. B-U-S, bus. H-U-T, hut. C-U-P, cup. T-U-B, tub. Okay, let's read. Bug, jug, bun, run, bus, hut, cup, tub. Okay, children? Yes, very good. Well done. Okay, you read those words. Okay, children. Suppose I erase this. Okay, can you be able to fill this? What is the spelling now? Can you say B dash G? What can you write here? BAG. Can you fill like this? Bag. Okay. Can you fill here? What is this? R and T is given. You can write some here. R-A-T. R-A-T. Rat. Okay. If I rub this one, can you be able to write? Dash A-T. Okay. What do you fill here? C. Okay, if you write C, then it will become cat, right? Okay, children, in the similar way, you need to know all the fillings. Okay, you need to learn these spellings, children. It's very easy for you to learn. Okay, okay. Yes, these are the vowel words. Okay, normally it will have A, E, I, O, U. Okay, in those. Okay, children, now let's open your textbook. Take the page number 26, okay? Okay, here they have given you, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, okay? Which are they? A, E, I, O, U, okay? They are called as vowels. Rest of the letters are consonants, see? They have given you, okay? Okay, please read this, yes, okay, and learn the vowels and the consonants, okay? They have rounded up all the vowels here, okay? Yes. And there is one phonic drill exercise is also given, yes. Take the page number 27, okay? You can see that. Look and say. You have given all the pictures over there, okay? Can you see this, children? Okay. What is the first picture? That is ant, okay? A is an ant, okay? What's the next picture? Elephant. E is an elephant. I as in ice, okay? O as in orange. U as in umbrella, okay? Seeing the picture, you should be able to read and identify the words, okay, children? Yes. See the text, take the page number 28, okay? You have given one more exercise here. Fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Yes. Can you do that? Okay. What's the first pick? This thing? Yes. Okay. See the picture here. Okay. Then you need to fill all these. Okay. That's a homework for you, children. Okay. You can do those things easily at home, okay? Page number 28 and 29, you can complete that in home, okay? Yes. Next, you open the page number 30. Take the page number 30. There you have given some rhyming words, okay? Those are the rhyming words. I am going to teach you those rhyming words in my next class, okay? Yes, and there is one more exercise for you in the page number 32, okay, that is picture reading. Whatever the words I have written just now on the board, okay, you will find those pictures in your textbook. The page number 32, okay, it starts, okay. Can you be able to write them here by seeing the picture? Okay, okay. I will share you the workbook list, okay, today with you to complete the homework, and if you find any difficulties, okay, you please ask me. Yes, I will help you out, okay. So you need to learn all these words, okay, children. Do you have any doubts? Okay, shall we continue in our next class? Okay, I am going to teach you the remaining words in my next class, okay. Thank you.